Hello, fabulous fourth grade students and parents. This is Mr. Lee during or for week two of work, and I apologize that this is a little bit late. However, with the craziness of the week and stuff like that, it's been a little bit difficult to record some lessons. So this week's of work, or as you can see on the left side of the screen, outlines like some of the things that is going to be, or all of the things that are going to be included in this packet. And I know my webcam covers up a little bit up here in the corner. But this week for ELA, you're going to read the story included. Some of you have some different stories, so bear with me. Not all of you will have the soccer story. That's okay. Plus, you're going to do sequence of events. For math, this week is fractions practice. Last week you did some time. This week we're going to do some fractions. Writing this week is going to build on the prior week of reasons why you're excited or nervous. And please be specific with those reasons. So last week I chose, I believe, more independence going over into the middle school. Like you students, you will have more like freedoms over there. You'll have like more choices in terms of like classes and stuff like that. So I would need to provide specific reasons why I was excited for that. So as we scroll through here, you can see this soccer story. Some of you will have, okay? On the right side of the screen here, you will have your flowchart and sequence of events. Okay, so sequence of events, for those of you who forgot or have not seen this before, sequence of events goes the first event, so what happened first in the story. Second event is what happens next in the story. Third event, fourth event, fifth event. Now, some stories, like these stories, are pretty short. They're only 10 pages long. They don't have a whole lot of words on them. That's intentional. Okay, so you may only have first, second, third event. You may not get all 5 events. If you can get 5 events in a story, awesome. But don't feel like you have to fill out this entire sequence of events chart. Okay, as we keep rolling, fractions. What you're going to do is you're going to look at the shaded region. I know in this, I had to scan this document in. This is the shaded region right here. You have to circle which one you think it is compared to the picture. So you have to look at the picture, see how many are shaded in compared to the whole number of pieces in this, and you have to circle the appropriate fraction. Same for this one. I know it's kind of hard to see the line, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts to the whole. How many are shaded in? Okay, and you're going to do that for each of these. So you're only circling one in these rows. Okay, the second one is matching fractions to words. So the directions are to draw a line to match the fraction to the word. So you're going to figure out 1/2. Okay, what is 1/2? Okay, so I'm going to look over on the side here. I notice that this fraction right here is 1/2. So I draw a line from here all the way to here. Okay, and then you're going to go down 1/3. Look over here, which one's 1/3? Okay, as we keep rolling, here's now a shaded fractions one over on the left-hand side of the screen. So you're going to color in the fractions shown in each shape. So you're going to circle one, or you're going to color in one out of the 2 parts. Okay, so there are 2 parts here, 1, 2. Okay, there's a line that splits it in half. You're going to color one of these in. Okay, over here you're going to color 2 out of the 4 parts. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. You're going to shade in 2 of these. Okay, so on and so forth as we go through. Okay, and then here's my week 2 of writing. Okay, topic would be what you circled last week. So if you followed directions from last week, you were supposed to circle your top choice. You did some brainstorming. You're going to put that there in the topic, and then you're going to provide 3 reasons. Now, these don't have to be in, you don't have to put these in sentences or anything. They can just be quick, like jotted notes down. That's totally fine. And then I realized that the last thing that was in your packet this week was spelling words. I completely blanked on assigning spelling words each week. You paste them out as you want. I know some people love spelling words and they just want to whip through them and keep going. That's totally fine. Okay, if you're a person that likes to take 10 words per week and whatnot, by all means, just take one of those sheets, work on it for the week, and then put those spelling words to the side after you practice them, and go on to the next sheet. I will have all of this stuff on Google Classroom. So I will create some quizzes in terms of like the fractions. I will have this story read and a sequence of events thing posted on there. So I will have some like kind of quiz activities on Google Classroom for you to follow. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Type them in the comments below. Shoot me an email. Give me a phone call if you are confused by anything in this packet. Otherwise, have a great week. Everyone stay healthy and safe, and I will see you next week.